In question 2, we have to evaluate the sum of the geometric series, and we're going to look at part E first of all. In part E, because this series runs from -3 to 3, r being equal to -3 is the first term. So you'd put r equal to -3, and then u1, this time 1 standing for the first term, being different from r. But the first term would be 3 to the power of r, which should be -3, which should be 1 over 3 cubed, which is 1 over 27. The second term then, you could cycle through, you increase r by 1. So r would be -2 for the second term, and that would be 3 to the power of -2, or 1 over 9. What's important from all of this is that you get the first term, a, which is your u1, 1 over 27, and your r, the common ratio. And you can see when you go from the first term to the second term, you're multiplying by 3. Okay, so that's what's happening each time. So r common ratio is 3. And then to find the sum of the series, we can use the formula. The sum Sn is a1 minus r to the power of n divided by 1 minus r. And then we would have from -3 to 3, which is actually 7 terms, u1 to u7. So a 1 over 27, 1 minus 3 to the power of 7 divided by 1 minus 3. And that gives 40 and 13 over 27, or if you want the decimal, it would be 40.48 to 2 dp. Okay, and we're going to look at f as well. So in f, we've got the sum from r equaling 0 to begin with up to 5. So when r equals 0, the first term is going to be -2 to the power of 0, which gives 1. And then we add 1 to r, so r would be 1. So the second term would be -2 to the power of 1, which is -2. And you can keep going there. You only need to have 2 terms, because once you've got 2 terms, you've got a, the first term, u1, which is 1. And then you can see how to get from the first term to the second term. You're multiplying by -2, so r is -2. Then you use your formula that Sn is a1 minus r to the power of n divided by 1 minus r. And here we've got the sum from r equaling 0 to 5, which would give you 6 terms in total. So we want S6. So S6 would be 1 minus -2 to the power of 6, all divided by 1 minus -2. Okay, and that gives -21.